Students, today we are going to learn about file handling in Python, and we are today considering text files. Text files we have already dealt with. In the previous class we understood how to make a text file in Python, how to read from a already existing text file, how to append in an already existing text file. Then we learned how to read a text file and count the number of blank spaces or a given alphabet, and I said that that was character reading from a text file and seeing the text file as a stream of characters. We used to check one character at a time for a given alphabet or say space and counted it. Then we learned how to deal with words. We learned that in words we can use the split function after read function. Read function is used to take the stream of characters in a variable, and then that stream of character can be broken into a word form and kept in a list. After you keep it in a list, what happens? You can catch hold of each word at a time. Then we talked of read line, and we understood we can take hold of a line at a time and then read lines to take hold of lines at a time. Today we are going to learn another given program. The program is to take a text file and insert a word in a given text file. As you see on the screen, we can create a text file, and then after creating a text file, what we'll today do is we'll try to insert a word after the text file has been created using a function at a given place. Particularly in my example here, what we are doing is we are trying to insert the word Ram is a good boy in the text file and create it. So we are creating using the sentence Ram is a boy. I say Ram is a good boy. Now say CBSE has asked a question and CBSE says okay, Ram is a good boy. This line is already there in the text file file1.txt. CBSE says to write a function to insert the word very before the occurrence of the word good. That is, if the sentence has one good, then there would be one very before good. If it has n number of goods, then there should be n number of very before good. So that is what we are going to do today. We are going to insert the word very. This is my first thing that today we'll do. So before going to that particular function, two functions we are creating. As you see, the first function is create, to make the file, and the second function is to show what the file contains. That helps us. If I use show, then whatever the file would have, we will not go to the drive. We'll see it from here only. So time comes, friends. Now what we'll see, the exact function which we are looking for, the function which will help us to insert the word very before each occurrence of the word good. But before going to that, let us see how it works. See, there is an error which I can see. That error is f.close. It should be f1.close. So I'll have to correct the error. When I go there, if I save the file, if the file is being saved, say I'm writing file ht. What I'm writing? File ht. To name the file, but there is an error. As I said, it is file.txt is not there. Really, file.txt is not there. We have file1.txt. So again we'll go back and we'll try to change that. We'll write file1.txt, that is f1. Yes, and one more error. As I said, we have f.close, it should be f1.close. So we again go, the errors what they show, we are showing it here because it helps us to check whether the error is in a given line and how to correct that error. So let us come, we'll put 1. Yes, now it's fine and it will show Ram is a good boy. The file contains that word, Ram is a good boy. Very good. You can go and see also how it contains Ram is a good boy. Let us see how it contains Ram is a good boy. We can see that Ram is a good boy has been there in the file. So friends, you have seen how we can create a file and how the show function works for showing what the file contains. Now I said that there would be 3 sorts of questions but I have talked of one. I said you can be asked to insert the word very before occurrence of the word good. This is one given thing. Sometimes CBSE asks a different thing. It asks, can we convert a word? That is, can we change a word to another word? That is, instead of good, can we make it bad? Instead of, say, kind, can we make it generous? So that means what? A word good should be getting changed in the file. Is it possible? Can we change it? That is the bigger question. Answer is yes. Now when I said I will insert the word very, that means what I am doing? I am inserting a word before a word, and that is in Python said to be insertion. When I said I will change good to bad or good to best, that means I am updating a word. The word had been good, I am removing it, I am putting some new word in its place. But there can be a third thing also. I may want that I should delete good. So in our course there are 3 sorts of things that has to be done. I can insert, I can update, and I can delete. We'll see students that we'll have one code, and that code works for all the 3 things, that is insertion, updation and deletion. It works for all the 3 things. But there would be a small change in it. Small change. We'll change a bit and it will work as a program for updation. If I again make a change, it will work as a program for deletion. Okay. And if I write the first one would be a program for what? It would be a program for insertion. Insertion of which word? Insertion of the word very. Understood? So let us see how it works. Yes, now we are back into the file. We are now trying to write a function to insert the word very before the occurrence of the word good. So therefore I have written a function. The name of the function is insVary. Any name I can give. So I have given this name. What is the name? InsVary is the name of the function. Now insVary is the name of the function, and I am writing. How we'll do it? See how we'll do it. I'm writing something. I'm writing open temp.txt. You will wonder why temp.txt. What is temp.txt? See, what we'll do is we'll make a brand new blank file, and we'll try to put whatever is written in file1.txt in that brand new temp.txt file. So file1.txt has Ram is a good boy. So I'll put everything there. I'll put, if Ram is written, I'll put in temp.txt Ram. When I find is would be also written there. When I find A would be written there. And then when I find good, I'll not write good. I'll write very good. And when I find boy, I'll write boy. So what would be the text there? Text would be Ram is a very good boy. So that we wanted that good, before good, very should be inserted. Before good, very should be inserted. And this is how we'll do. But you will wonder, you will ask, sir, the question is file1.txt should have Ram is a very good boy. Why temp.txt? The answer is, while I create temp.txt, what we'll do is I will delete file1.txt and rename temp.txt as file1.txt. That is the approach we are taking. And as you see, the lines which we have written, the first line contains F2 is equal to open in write mode. So temp.txt has been opened in write mode. F3 contains file1.txt is opened in read mode, and we know we have to read that file. As I write f.read, what will happen? The things which has been written there in the file, that comes as a stream of string, that is string in G. So G contains all the things. Ram is a good boy as a string. That string is now again splitted. That is, we are writing G.split. What happens? D is a list now which contains all the words. So D contains all the words. Each element of D is the word from the file, file1.txt. When I write for I in D, that means I am saying that each word from D should come in I, and I will check if that word is good. What we'll write in the file? We'll write very good. Which file? temp.txt. If the file doesn't have good, that is, if I doesn't have good, then we'll write whatever I has, and I would have first Ram, so Ram would be written, then is, so is would be written. From where it would be written? From the else part. And we also know that after Ram, is, when is would be written, there would be no gap. So therefore we are writing f2.write space. So after the word, a space would also be created and things would be fine in the file temp.txt. Now I did all the things to make temp.txt, but I have done nothing to delete file1.txt. How to delete file1.txt? To delete, we'll have to use OS module. We'll import OS module, and then in OS module there is a function. The function is remove function. So we will use remove function, and we'll write the name of the file. What is the name of the file? File1.txt. We'll remove file1.txt. That file we will remove. Understood? Then we'll rename. There is a module OS we have already talked of, and in that there is a function rename. We'll write which file to rename. So temp.txt has to be renamed. Temp.txt has to be renamed. And with which name? File1.txt. So from today, from now, from this moment, temp.txt is now known as file1.txt. And so file1.txt contains Ram is a very good boy. Now I close which file? But because before removing and before renaming, it should be closed. So f2.close means we are closing the temp.txt file, then we are closing the file1.txt file. Both the files have been closed. Now I am trying. Maybe there is an error, or maybe it works. Let us see. Ins. Now what we are doing is we are removing create, because it has already been created. Now we want to see how ins very works, how very gets inserted. So, and then show would show what the latest situation is in the file. So let us try. Let us go to F5. We'll go to F5 and we'll see how the file works, how it works. This given function ins vary, how it works. Oh my goodness, error again. Oh, that is a simple error. F.read we have written. It should be F3.read. Why? Because we had opened using F3. So we go and we write F3. Now again we go to the screen shell, Python shell, and you have seen the ins vary function has worked. Ram is a very good boy has been written. Let us check in Python also. So in Python 33 also folder, we'll go and find file1.txt. It is there, file1.txt, and it shows what it shows. Ram is a very good boy. So the word very has been inserted. CBSE can ask this sort of question. It can ask to insert a word before a given word. So this is the trick how we do it. We make a new file, write all the words that were there in the old file in the new, and put it in the new file, and instead of that word we write the new things that had to be inserted and then the word in the new file. Then remove the old file and rename the new file with the old name. That is what we do. Now this is a question of inserting, and we have done it. Now the thing which I wanted to show you is, can we update? Can we update? Can that good be changed into some other word? Can that good be changed into, say, some other word, that is kind? Say kind, I want to change it to kind. Then what would happen? Wherever good was, it would be now kind. You can well see, if the good word comes in the list instead of good, what to put in the new file? Kind is to be put to the new file. So it is now a question of updation. Updation means the CBSE can ask you to change a word from the file to a new word. Okay, so good is now to be changed into kind. Let us see now whether it has, oh my goodness, it has changed. So Ram is a very kind boy. Instead of good, what has now been in the file? Good has been updated to kind. Good has been updated to kind. Now the file doesn't have good. It has the word kind. Now if somebody asks me and says that CBSE has given a question to delete all occurrence of the good from the file, what we would do to delete all occurrence of the good from the file? What can we do to delete all occurrences of the good from the file? I will have to leave that space blank where it is written if I is equal to good, we'll say f2 dot write nothing, space, write space. That means nothing would be written if good is found. So it means in the new file temp.txt, for good nothing would be there. For good nothing would be there means good would not be there in that file temp.txt. So if good would not be there in the file temp.txt, then what we would do? If good is not there in the file temp.txt, that means we have deleted good. We have deleted good. Let us try here, but you will see here there would be no change because the word good is not there. So there would be no change. If you had written kind, then kind would have been deleted. But the good word is not there, so no change would be there. Let us see. So yes, there is no change. But for kind, if I had said if I is equal to kind, then what would have happened? If I is equal to kind, then what would have happened? Kind would not have been now in the new file 1.txt, that is through temp. So kind would be removed. Now if I run it, you will see how kind gets removed. See, very boy, kind has been removed from the file. So you have learned to remove a word, to update a word, and to insert a word before a given word. Say that word was good and you inserted very. So these are the three types of questions which CBSE asks. But whatever you have done all these things for words. Now the question is, can we remove a character? Can we insert a character before a character? Can we delete a character from the file? Let us see whether it can be done or not. To insert or delete a character, that means the question is of character. So we understand that now we don't require a list which contains words. So that list has to be removed. The list has to be removed. D has to be removed. GN is enough capable to work with alphabets. G can work with alphabets. So now we'll talk of G only. So what we'll do for I in G. So we will now write for I in G. So we go to for I in G. I in G, and instead of kind we will now write a particular alphabet. Let us say we write the alphabet A. So now we'll check if I has A. Now what we want to do? We want to insert E before A. That is alphabet before A. Let us see how it works. Does it work fine? Yes. Each A has been initiated, has been prefixed by E. E has been written before A. Now let us try something else. We want to delete something or we want to write. See, spaces are there. So to remove spaces, we will not now use f2.write space. That we will not use because spaces works itself. So now spaces have been removed. This was a thing which we did, which was insertion. Let us now try for deletion. I say if there is a A somewhere, remove A. Say A has been removed. For A, nothing has been written. A has been removed. Now, if I want to change A to something else, or say E to something else, and before that we want to remove E also, say E has been removed. Very good. If I want to change M to X, that is updation. Removal we saw, insertion of alphabet before alphabet we saw. Now if I want to update, how to update it? How to update it? Now if I say if M we find, change it into X. So let us see how it works. Now it is now X. So we have talked of characters also. We understood how characters can be taken into consideration, how something can be inserted before a character, how the character can be updated to a new character, how a character can be deleted. And previously we also understood how this given words were to be dealt with. So this is for today. Thanks a lot. Thank you.